Stand with both feet on a resistant band, holding handles long next to your sides with palms facing forward. Slowly curl hands up to your shoulders, squeezing biceps and keeping your elbows next to your sides. Slowly release arms back down to the starting position.